All right, we're on to another project. Yes, we are. The Infinite Highway Pegs for the Indian motorcycles. And how do we get this thing to go reverse? Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. Got another fast video for you. I'm putting my Infinite Highway Pegs on my Indian Challenger. And Indian just does a really nice job, in my opinion, of over Harley in some aspects, especially the accessories. It's getting a lot easier to use. So let's see here. The Indian highway pegs is pretty universal for any of the touring motorcycles that have the highway bars. And this motorcycle has lowers on it, and this could go on the Chieftain. It could go on a lot of different motorcycles. Borderline could probably even go on not unbranded Indian products as well. But what's so cool about this product here is, first of all, Indian does a great job of packaging it. It's not cheap. I mean, everything's expensive, right? I mean, in general, everything's expensive anymore. But here it is, packaged really nice. And since I have the Dark Horse product, this Indian Pursuit is the blacked out package. You want to match it with the highway pegs. What's so cool is this whole highway peg is already put together. I literally just have to find the appropriate spot of where my comfort zone is and how this is positioned. And it's so cool. On my other Harleys, it's not that simple. You have to put the whole assembly together, and it's just really aggravating. I don't understand Harley's position on that, because there's a gazillion different foot pegs you can get for it. So just really simple. So let's see how it all plays out here on the Indian Pursuit Highway Peg Adventure. Okay, first thing is you need a 5mm Allen for the little screws. You need what size is this here? I believe a 6. That's hard to believe, but let's check it out here. This here is, I thought it was bigger than that. It's actually an 8mm for the end. If you're going to be creative here, you want to loosen up this here so you have the capability to get into this screw right here. Otherwise, very challenging. All right, once again, if you rotate this out, you want to pull it in a little bit more. You don't twist this back. Okay, so now position for you. Too high, too low. All right. it's closer to me. All right, so now, got my foot. You end up hitting that if you don't go in. And another thing you want to think about is you have to be really careful. Or you're going through a parking lot and you crash the bike. It happens all the time. Okay, now we're to the left side. So what I'm saying to you is this here doesn't move. So you have to unloosen this bolt here. So this rotates so you can get to these Allen screws. Otherwise, you're just not gonna be able to get your tool in there to do it right. But now I've made a lot of good progress. I've got the right-hand side. I'm very happy with the position of the bike right here. And I'm very happy that the highway peg isn't out too far from the bike, because I'm telling you, if you get this highway peg further out like this, then that's a problem. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna hit something. It's just, I just know people have done it. They've had horrible crashes in a parking lot. So to the left side, same principle as the right. A little more challenging now if the bike is, on the left, the stand is down, but I'll have to kind of guesstimate it, move it around, and see what works for me. And another thing, make sure you have the Indian name not upside down. I mean, you can see right here, here it is right here, okay? I could very easily make a mistake over there and it would look like this. I could put this over here and look goofy. All right, we're making headway. Look at this here. Look at this here. Get down. You can see them pretty level. And when they go up, see that? And what I did, I got my measuring tape out. Show you a little trick here. All right, so what I did, I came off right here at this corner right here, up into this corner here, and it's 6 inches. So it's like 6 inches. And I did the same thing on the other side. I kind of figure out this angle on this here. The same thing. I went right there. Okay. And it's like 6 inches. Okay. So that's what I did. That's how I kind of figured that. Then I measured down here from up to the top here. And the same thing. It's like 6 inches. Okay. It's like 6 inches. So you can measure off the bottom of this to the top of this. to figure it out on both sides to get them pretty even. And so anyways, this iPhone isn't that great. I use my Droid phone usually to do my videos, but I got music behind me. It's probably going to cancel this video. All right, so I'm done, and I got both sides. And what's crazy here is my radio's playing. It's going to cancel this video for me to call it out as copyright issues. But here's the thing. So on my left side here, I measured off of this right here up to here, and it's 6 inches to the middle of this right here. That's how I kind of figured out if I'm level or not on both sides. And then I measured up from down here up to here, and the same thing, it's like 6 inches. So I can give you a lot better feel for getting both sides measured up. And once again, see, this is tucked in, so it's not real close to the outside of the bike where you're gonna hit something. So anyways, a lot of noise behind me. My apologies. My Apple phone sucks for videos. My other phone right now I've used to make other videos. That Samsung Galaxy kicks tail to the iPhone. The iPhone's really junk when it comes to making videos. So anyways, hope this video helps you. I hope this video helps you figure out how to put on highway bars. It's not that hard. A lot of people pay other people to do it, but it's not that hard. You can do it. So stay tuned for my adventures on my brand new Indian Pursuit I just got. Now it's all set up the way I like it. If you're watching my channel, you just saw I put a brand new Indian exhaust on, muffler. I put a brand new wind splitter screen, and I just put on my highway pegs. And what's next? What's next? I don't know yet. So thanks again for watching my channel. All support. God bless, stay safe, and stay tuned for more adventures.